open forum. Remember that this is a process. The Desteni process is a process of the destiny of mankind, the destiny of the universe. It is expanding, it is accumulating, it is integrating, it is a process. So do not look at an individual point. Look at the process thus far, which are thousands of documents, thousands of videos, thousands of documents and videos produced by people that has walked the process. You have lots of support, and obviously you have to walk the process as well. If you walk it with Desteni, it only makes it your process in this world will be faster. It won't be different. You'll have the same challenges. You just have support, which means you can accelerate your timeline, and eventually you can actually help others to do the same. It is a space-time reality we're in, within which we are processing, one where there is a consequence for everything you do and everything you don't do. That is why we are doing the process here, so that no one can claim the delusion of no time and all knowledge. Apparently, it doesn't work that way. This is the real way of the universe. This is on Earth. A process has begun to sort out once and for all the origin, the beginning, the starting point, and the end of life in a way that is best for all. You have dreamt of it, you have hoped for it, but you've never taken action. Now you have the opportunity to take action, and if you don't, you have no excuse, and that will determine your consequence. So make sure that the consequence you support and the consequence you bring about is one that is best for all, because then you are included. But the moment it is not best for all, then you are excluded. That is the decision that each being must make, and which each being in a way has already made. From the perspective of what will happen in your life, you will have opportunities again to make this decision. But when you get to the point of your last breath, where you leave this school, this reality, this place of learning, the final decision is your last breath. You either are included as life, or you are excluded as life. And that depends on whether you included everything as life, one and equal, or whether you excluded some of it because you believed you knew better. So if you trust knowledge, you'll be screwed. If you realize that it is about all life and you make sure it shows in every way, then you can face your death. Make sure you can face your death, because there is no past this point anymore. There is no soul that would take you to give you another chance. The sole purpose now is to end the delusion. Make sure you do not trust in your own deception and want to still experience things believing that you have the right to do so. You do not have the right of experience, because that is the right of abuse. You have the right to life only if you give it to everything else equally. If you do not give it, you will not have it. Join us. Desteni process. It's a process of support. It's a process of integration. It's a process of self-awareness, a process of self-development, a process of taking responsibility, self-responsibility, a process of life, a process of giving, a process of receiving. It is the process of life itself. Join us.